how to create our first HTML program and how to execute it. Today we will discuss about Marquee. Marquee tag is used for displaying scrolling text. So before going to discuss about Marquee, little bit we are taking a recap of our last class. So here already I have typed HTML is the tag, head tag I have used, title, and inside the title I had given the text Indian Armed Forces. Then H1 heading I had given, align center, and Indian Armed Forces is the heading I had given there, and it was closed. Now we have started body tag, and inside body tag we will write our entire HTML document. So your entire web page will be designed inside this body tag. So here I have mentioned Indian Army, motto, meaning, etc. I want this motto, Seva Param Dharma, this should be a scrolling text. So let's see how can we do this. But before than that, whatever I have typed, you see how the output is of this particular code that I had typed right now. File, save as, we will save in our folder F drive HTML, giving the file name prog2.htm, and let's save. Now I have opened Microsoft Edge. In Microsoft Edge, I am typing my file I had saved in F drive. So F colon, see HTML is already there. It was prog2, so prog2.htm. So it is showing prog. I had given prog2.htm, no underscore was given. So see here, Indian Armed Force, that was the title that I had typed. So let's make it little bit shorter. So see, this is our title. So Indian Armed Force. So it is coming on the title bar, Indian Armed Force. Next, the heading Indian Armed Forces. It is underlined and H1 align center. So that's why Indian Armed Force is at the center and it is underlined because of the U tag, and H1 is the heading style that I have used. Now next you see the body. I had written like this, Indian Army, the next line motto, then meaning, but you see here everything is coming together. Whatever I had typed here, the coding, everything is displaying together in our web page. So let's design little bit with our HTML code. First, Indian Army. So I will make Indian Army. I'll give a font. I'll give a size equals to say 16. Then I'm giving a face. Double quotation you may give, may not give, your choice. But if there is a space like Times New Roman, so Times space New space Roman, that kind of face is there. So you must have to give double quote. But here it is Vardhana, so you may not give double quote here. And suppose color equals to say blue, and font tag is closed. So see, Indian Army is having those things: font, size, face, Vadana, color blue, everything. Now, this motto I want to generate with a scrolling text. So here I am writing Marquee and I am closing Marquee tag. Now see, motto Seva Param Dharma is coming in scrolling text and it starts by default from the this side. Now next, now let's change little bit of the Marquee. So Marquee has certain attributes. So we can use those attributes here. So suppose Marquee, I'm giving bgcolor equals to blue. Now you see, so it is coming, but see the font is not visible. So we can use font tag. I'm copying the font tag and I'm pasting here. So font size I'm reducing little bit to 12. Color I will give white and font tag must be closed because it is a container element. So font tag closed. So see, motto Seva Param Dharma is coming like this. Now I am showing the next property or the next attribute of Marquee tag, direction. Direction I am giving right. Now you see. So started from the left hand side and it is moving towards the right direction. So now watch carefully what is happening here because our next property will deal with that. So motto seva paramo dharma is going out of the screen and it will start again from the left hand side. So this attribute of Marquee tag is known as scroll. The attribute is scroll. So we will use now the attribute behavior. By default it is scroll. So here I am using alternate. Now you see. Motto Seva Param Dharma. I have chosen alternate. So it's bounced back from the right border towards the left border. So this is here I have chosen behavior alternate. So when it is alternate, it is like this. Earlier I was not given anything. So see, I have not given any behavior. Now I am saving it. Now you see how it's going. So see, here no behavior property is there. Down, up you see, going out. So this behavior is scroll. Now I am choosing behavior alternate. I am repeating again. Now I am giving one more attribute called scroll amount, and scroll amount I am giving, suppose say 50. Now you see. So here I have done a little correction. It supports US English, so behavior should be behavior, not our. I had given earlier our. So behavior alternate. I have given a scroll amount 50. So now I am making scroll amount, suppose say 100. So when I will increase, so you will understand the difference. Save, see. Now I am giving the scroll amount 10. See. Another property of behavior is there. That property is known as slide. Slide will start from one location and it will stop in another position. So behavior I had given slide. Then it has stopped. So I am changing it back. I am writing it behavior alternate. Now I am copying the same thing. I will apply it for meaning. Closing the tag, Marquee. So font, same font I am using. Closing font. Whichever our container element, closing font is essential. Now here I am changing certain things. Suppose direction I am deleting, behavior I am deleting, and I am giving here in place of scroll amount, scroll delay. Here goes with millisecond. So I have given 1000. So 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. So every second it will change its position. So closing it, let's run. See there how slowly it is coming at the right hand side, where moto is moving continuously. So see, every 1 second it's coming. Now let's make it little bit more, say 5 seconds. So 5000. See here. So delay 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds it's appearing. Now I am applying both scroll delay and scroll amount together, giving an amount, say scroll amount equal to 150 pixels. So little bit changing. Here I am giving 1500 pixels and here I am giving 1000 milliseconds. So in this way, you alternately you change and you see your difference. So the things that we have learned is Marquee, bgcolor, scroll delay, scroll amount, and behavior. So in behavior, we have three things. One is scroll. Suppose in Indian Air Force, I am using behavior. By default, it is scroll. So you may write, you may not write. So Marquee, see here. So another behavior is slide, and one is alternate. And rest of the things you change as per your attributes. We have used here scroll delay in terms of milliseconds, then scroll amount in terms of pixels, and you can set background color of the Marquee, and inside if you want you can change the font color, and you can design your web page beautiful. So I hope you understood about Marquee tag and its application. So apply it in your machine and practice it properly. Thank you. Bye bye.